Good morning, students. In the today's session, we'll learn about the basic Unix commands. Okay. Now we'll start learning about what is the ARP command, telnet, FTP, finger, traceroute, ifconfig, netstack, ping commands. All these commands we'll start learning. What is mean by this ARP? ARP manipulates the kernel's ARP cache in various ways. The primary options are clearly an address mapping entry and manually setting up one. For debugging purposes also, the ARP program also allows a complete dump of the ARP cache. And how to execute this ARP means, see here, how we can execute the ARP means we have to get the ARP with some hyphen value. Okay, then it is going to give you the current interface address with the internet address as well as the physical address and the type of the address. All the related information it is going to give you. Now, here with the ARP, now we'll see what is meant by telnet. This telnet is a command which is used to mainly communicate with another host using the telnet protocol. If telnet is invoked without the host argument, and it is going to enter the command indicated by its prompt. Just simply we have to give the host ID as well as a host portal with the telnet. In this mode, it is going to accept the and execute the commands. Listen, if it is invoked with arguments, it is going to perform an open command with those arguments. And what is meant by this, traceroute? The traceroute means it is a command. It is going to trace the network path of the internet routers and packets. Let me see here how the packets are transmitted between the routers. We can know with the traceroute. Okay, takes as they are forwarded from your computer to a destination address. The length of the network connection is indicated by the number of internet routers in the traceroute path. Now, whenever you are working with the traceroute, you just give your domain name. Then you have to give the tr trace RT with the domain name. If you give the domain name, it is going to give you all the proper network address, IP address it is going to share. Now, what is meant by FTP? FTP main purpose is for the transmission of data. Okay, here it is called as a file transfer protocol. This program allows the user to transfer the files to and from the remote network site, and the options may be specified at the command line or to the command interface. Now, here, what is netstack? It is a command which is going to display the contents of various network related data structure in various formats, depending on the options you have to set. And the first form of command is going to display a list of active sockets for each protocol. And the second form is going to select one from among various other network instances. The third is to show you the state of the interfaces. Next, what is the fourth one? The fourth form displays the routing table. The fifth form is going to display the multi-class routing table. And the sixth is going to display the DHCP and all the interfaces. And what is meant by ifconfig? It is a command which allows the operating system to set up the network interfaces, and it is going to allow the user to view the information about the configured network interface. And for what purpose we are going to use the ping? That means to send the echo packets from one system to the another system. We are going to use a command called ping. See you in the next class.